Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with add family. If you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos for better understanding. Now, I will teach you 3-letter CVC words along with add family. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. You must always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Are you ready, kids? Yes, let's begin. Letter A. A makes the sound A. Letter G. G makes the sound G. A and G together makes the sound AG. A, G. AG. Now we are going to learn words with AG sound. B, AG, bag. B, AG, bag. R, AG, rag. R, AG, rag. T, AG, tag. T, AG, tag. Children, here we have some more words to practice. Gag, hag, lag, nag. Children, shall we have a quick review? Yes, you all can join with me. Bag, gag, hag, lag, nag, rag, tag. Children, you must keep on practicing these words every day. I hope you all had fun reading with me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.